Today we're going to be reviewing Vlookup and Hlookup. So I've created this chart here, and I have the player's name, goals, assists, and total points. And let's say I want to type in the player's name here in this cell and have their total amount of points automatically appear. So to do this, I would type in Vlookup. And as you can see, when I start typing and open up the bracket, it lets us know exactly what we need to fill out on the bottom. So we need to do the lookup value, which would be this cell, the table array, which would be this entire table, and the column index number. So how many numbers over we want to find our item. So we'll click on our cell. Now, because we're going to be referencing the name of the player, we don't have to highlight the top cell. And again, we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's going to give us an option to do approximate match or an exact match. When you're working with names and other data, it's really important that you go with exact match. I'm going to close it off now, the bracket, hit enter, and there we go. Scott has 47 points. Now if I want to change the name, let's say to John, 56 is correct, so you can see our formula is working. Now let's go over to Hlookup. I've created the same chart, just reversed it this time for Hlookup. So again, we want to get the total number of points that a player has received. So we are going to start our formula. Going to select our cell that we want to take the value from. And then this time, our table array is going to include the top row because we need to pull the name of the player as reference so we know where to get our number. And again, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to close it off to exact match. And there we go. Mike has 40 points. Let's say this time we want to see how many Tom got. 46, that's correct, so it is working. Hopefully this has been helpful for you guys. If you like what you see, please give us a thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this.